Hi, I'm Jo, I'm a stylist, and I've been invited here today by Kettlewell Colours and Country Wives to talk a little bit about personal style and the kind of challenges that women face with their style through their lives. Now, Amy's really kindly agreed to join me here today to talk a little bit about her style, and she's gone through one of those life changes which people often do when we really start to assess our style, whether it's having a baby, retirement. We all go through periods where we really have to reassess what suits us and what we like seeing ourselves in. Now, Amy, can you tell me a little bit about what's gone on in your life?
Yeah, I mean, I had a little baby girl just under 3 years ago, so it's been busy and full on ever since. So my life is surrounded by her. Everything involves her, so I don't really have much time to think about myself. So my body's changed a lot since having her. And I'm just struggling to find what suits me and get to myself again.
Okay, all right, so what we're going to do today is really help Amy find the clothes that make her feel great about herself, that suit her style and her body shape and her lifestyle and make her feel fantastic. So Amy, talk to me a little bit about what you like about your body shape, what you don't like, things you try and hide, things that you like. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm not overly fond of much about myself, to be honest. I think the worst part is my stomach. I don't like it to be shown, to be honest. Again, the tops of my legs, I'm not really happy with that. Overall, I don't have much confidence in my body.
Okay, so it's maybe about finding the shapes that really help you feel better about yourself, that conceal maybe the tummy and the bottom area, but that make you feel that they're really enhancing you.
Yes, definitely. I think if I know what will suit me and look better, then I feel more confident in myself.
Yeah, and start to kind of get back to who you really are, not just having in the baby zone.
Definitely,
okay.
Yes.
Let's see what we can put together that helps you do that. So Amy, we've had a look at some clothes and some styles that really work for you, and crucially for you, some colours that look amazing on you, because obviously at Kettlewell it's all about celebrating colour, and it's one of the reasons I love working with them so much. And we really wanted to find some colours that really brought out this beautiful eye colour you've got and your dramatic dark hair, and also a shape that made you feel good about yourself. So we chose this swing top, which is a little bit more forgiving around your tummy and around your bottom, but is in a brilliant colour for you. It's got a lovely open neckline that keeps it feeling really relaxed. How do you feel in it?
I really like it. It's not a colour that I would have actually ever chosen. I probably wouldn't have chosen the style either, but it's so comfy, and I actually feel really good in it.
Brilliant, I'm really pleased. It looks fantastic. I can, it just feels like a really easy throw on top with jeans that just feels a little bit more special than a plain boring old t-shirt. Fantastic. So let's get you into one or two other styles that we think really work for you too. So we're on to Amy's second look that we've put together, and I've put Amy in the Lulu layered top, which is a really great style if you're not feeling fantastic about your tummy area. It's another great kind of easy throw on top, and we've paired it with the sienna leggings, which are fantastic, easy, aren't they? Super comfortable. I love them. And how do you feel about this? I mean, do you like the combination?
I really like it. The leggings are so comfy. The top hides where I want it to hide.
With that lovely bottom layer as well.
So perfect with Christmas coming up for an evening out.
Yeah, the dual colours, which looks so fantastic on you.
I really love it. Thank you.
Great. And we found a couple of other styles that worked on you, didn't you? And one of the things that we really liked, which actually I think you weren't so sure about at first, but you liked it once we put on, was the ruched crossover top.
I absolutely love this on, because I didn't realise I had a nice waist.
There
is a waist there, and it actually looked really nice.
Yeah, so the ruching here is really flattering and forgiving, and actually we like more party style as well.
I love this.
Christmas Day.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
That's your look, and also layered up with the camisole underneath. And actually for a more casual look, the other thing we put together was pairing it with the mid-cascade wrap, which I think you felt really comfortable in as well, didn't you?
Yeah, it was absolutely lovely, and the colours work really nicely as well.
Yeah, so they're everything drawn from the same palette, which all really goes together. And they layer up really well as well with things like the Florence Infinity scarves, which are great for just adding a bit of a pop of colour if you don't want to go full on with colour, in another one of those shades which made you look so fantastic, but just a little splash of it with a more neutral outfit maybe. So, are you feeling a little bit more confident about the kind of things that you can wear, the colours and the styles that look good on you?
Definitely. and I'll be trying more options now, more colours.
Fantastic.
I've got more of an idea what looks best on me.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for being a guinea pig today, Amy. It was really great, and I hope you enjoy wearing your colours and styles now.
Thank you.
Thank you.